मॉर्निंग एवरीबडी। कोई दिन ऐसा होता है कि यू डोंट वांट टू ईट दाल, यू डोंट वांट टू ईट सब्जी। फिर क्या करें, कुछ अलग खाने को मन कर रहा है, बट इट हैज़ टू बी इंडियन। सो हमारी जो दादी थी ना, शी यूज्ड टू मेक मोगरे की सब्जी। आई यूज्ड टू कॉल इट बॉल्स फ्लोटिंग इन वाटर बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी थिन ग्रेवी मेड विद टोमेटोज, अनियन एंड जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट, and in that you add मूंग की दाल के पकौड़े, and it is called मोगरे की सब्जी. So let us make that today, the traditional मोगरे की सब्जी, in which there is dal, there is vegetable also, and it is very healthy and very tasty too, and simple to make. So let us begin. First of all, take a katori मूंग दाल, धुली हुई पीली वाली, 1 katori. It depends how many members are there in your family, accordingly you make. In 1 katori around 10 to 15 pieces छोटे छोटे पकौड़े बन जाएंगे. So it is up to you. Soak it in water after washing it thoroughly for at least 2 hours. I am going to grind this dal now. I have soaked it for 2 hours. See, it's become nice. फूल गई है. It has absorbed some water and become soft also. So I am going to remove all the water and add it to the mixer jar, and in the mixer jar I have added 1 onion, little bit of ginger, 1 piece, and 4 to 5 garlic pieces. I am going to grind all this to a thick paste. Let us add some salt, half a teaspoon of salt before grinding. Then I will add dhania powder. This will make it tasty. Half a teaspoon of dhania powder, little bit of haldi, and some jeera. थोड़ा थोड़ा, आधा चम्मच. And now grind it without any water into a thick paste. Baking soda, little less than half a teaspoon, should not be too much. This will make the pakodis little soft. Now again give it 1 mix, and then let us start frying the pakodis. Add 1 teaspoon of chane ka atta, that is besan, to this. That will make it easier and tastier to make chote round balls. Now to this I will add little bit of ajwain patta, which is freshly grown in my kitchen garden. Don't add any water. A few palak के पत्ते and 2 अजवाइन के पत्ते. Chop them fine and add them to the dal का paste that I have made. Take a कढ़ाई and add oil to it and let it warm up. Keep it on medium flame. Then let us start making the pakodis. You can add some green chilies chopped and red chili powder also to the paste. Check whether the oil is sufficient hot. Just add a little. If it starts coming up and bubbling, that means it is ready. Yes, it is ready. So let us put in the mogras, that is pakodis. Keep it on medium flame so that the dal पक जाए अच्छी तरह से. You have to take care of that. ऐसे ना हो कि बाहर से लाल हो जाए और अंदर से पकौड़ियाँ कच्ची रह जाएं. The dal has to get nicely ready. Keep it on medium flame. Don't be in a hurry. आराम से बनाते. मूंग दाल इतनी साऊ बेटी है. एक तो it is so good for digestion that if you have stomach problems or anything, you want to make khichdi or you want to have dal chawal, so you think of moong dal because it is easily digestible. Then you can make dosas with it. You can make mogre ki sabji with it. You can make so many things with this. It is such a delicious item. You can even make a dhokla. You can make kanji vadas out of this, chatpate, or you can have them with imli ki chutney. It is such a lovely dal. Very nice. They are done. So let us remove them. Soak the oil properly and then remove them on a tissue paper, so that any extra oil will be absorbed. We don't want to make it heavy because nowadays it is too hot for anything to digest easily. Let us make a light sabji. For the gravy, I require 1 big onion which I have chopped fine into small pieces. Then ginger, garlic, 7 to 8 pieces of garlic and 1 piece of ginger, and 2 tomatoes I'm going to grind to paste, and 2 potatoes which I will be adding to the sabji. Then I require all the spices also. We are going to make it light, so we are not going to add too much masalas. Potatoes also, they will taste better in the same oil. Remove them and keep them aside. Potatoes are done, let us remove them. Take 2 tomatoes, cut them into small pieces, and ginger, garlic, and make a paste out of it in the mixer. Now let us make the gravy. Take 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, or you can take desi ghee, it is up to you how you cook. Put it in a thick bottomed cooker we are using. Add the onion and fry it until it turns light brown. Now add the potatoes. Now adding all the masalas. I have added half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of haldi, half a teaspoon of jeera. Shahi jeera is very flavorful. You should use shahi jeera in all your vegetables. And dhania powder and red chili powder as per taste. Now add the ginger, garlic, tomato and red chili ka paste and roast this until the oil leaves the masala. See, it is already giving such nice aroma. See, it's giving such a lovely color, red color. Now add water, 2 katoris. इसमें थोड़ा पानी ज़्यादा डालते हैं बिकॉज जो मूंग की पकौड़ियाँ हैं दे एब्जॉर्ब वाटर, सो वी नीड लिटिल मोर ग्रेवी. सो आई एम एडिंग 1 more कटोरी वाटर टू मेक अ थिन ग्रेवी. Close the lid and give it 4 to 5 whistles. Sabji is ready. Now let us add the mogras or the pakoras to this. I have added the mogras or the pakoras. Now I will garnish it with either palak leaves which are freshly plucked from the garden, or I am going to garnish it with dhania, coriander leaves. See how beautiful the gravy looks, absolutely red. This red color comes with the Kashmiri dege mirchi that I add to it. That is not spicy, but it gives good color to the vegetable, to the gravy. Now give it 1 boil and then put it off and garnish it with coriander leaves and serve hot with a roti or with rice or with naan, with tandoori roti, lachha paratha. It's a very yummy, tasty dish. I've added coriander leaves. Now serve it hot, add little garam masala on top and then serve it very hot. It is a very tasty, delicious, yummy dish. My grandmother used to call it mogre ki sabji. I call it balls floating in water, but it is moong dal ki pakodiyon ki sabji. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, share and let me know how it is in the comment box. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen.